Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best TIG welding machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. HITBOX TIG 200P TIG Welding Machine. The HITBOX TIG 200P TIG welder is pulse TIG welder, has a torch trigger with a fully adjustable arc range setting. It has a one-touch startup button, is easy to use and measures the amperage draw. The HITBOX TIG 200P TIG welder comes equipped with a stainless steel line power cable, a welding cable, a foot pedal switch, a handle and a ground clamp. The HITBOX TIG 200P Pulse TIG welder comes complete with a torch, a Teflon collet, a collet nut, a gas cylinder, a gas hose, a TIG torch holder and a handle cover. The HITBOX TIG 200P TIG welder is equipped with a 0 to 14V pulse control, a 0 to 400A current range, and 5A25V, and delivers an arc amperage of 1.5A. The HITBOX TIG 200P Pulse TIG welder has a single-phase, 110V AC rated power. The HITBOX TIG 200P Pulse TIG welder comes with a flame failure device. It has a gas flow rate of 12.7 Lmin. The HITBOX TIG 200P TIG welder has an external power switch. Number 4. Andelli TIG 250MPL TIG Welding Machine. Andeli TIG 250MPL TIG welding machine is a multifunctional TIG welding machine with hot-cold TIG pulse-cold welding machine as well as gas reflux gas injection. It is a universal multifunctional machine to meet different welding needs. It is also a new style TIG welding machine which combines with gas reflux gas injection and TIG pulse-cold welding machines in one. High quality and good price, it's a good machine to be chosen by customers. Andeli TIG 250MPL TIG welding machine is designed for use with all welding applications. The Andeli TIG 250MPL can be used anywhere in a factory, construction site or garage. This multifunctional machine can weld many metals including copper, steel, and aluminum. It's easy to use and requires no special or additional knowledge. This is the ideal TIG welding machine for beginners as well as experts. Number 3. HZXVOGEN HBT 2000 Pro TIG Welding Machine. HZXVOGEN TIG Welder 2-in-1 Pulse Arc MMA Semi-Automatic Welding Machine 2T4 THF Argon Welding Fit 0.5 to 8 mm. Solder wire. You can get your hands on the best HZXVOGEN HBT 2000 Pro 110V 220V TIG Welder 2-in-1 Pulse Arc MMA Semi-Automatic Welding Machine 2T4 THF Argon Welding Fit 0.5 to 8 mm. Solder wire at Amazon. Made with high-quality materials, this machine is sturdy and durable. It offers users a quality performance. It features a robust construction with a sturdy body. Also, the machine has 2 different modes. One offers continuous operation, while the other is pulse arc modulated. The machine has 2 types of electrode wire. The electrode wire comes with a diameter of 0.5 mm and 1.2 mm. It also has a T-handle. It operates on a frequency of 40 kHz, and it is TIG welding machine. It also has a coaxial cable for voltage adjustment, as well as a foot switch for making on and off. The machine operates at 110V 220V and has a welding power of 50 to 650 A. Number 2. KEYUE TIG 200G TIG Welding Machine. The KEYUE TIG 200G intelligent TIG welding machine is loaded with both advanced and user-friendly technologies to deliver a perfect welding experience. The TIG 200G features intelligent arc force control, self-diagnostic functions and an onboard computer. It is an ideal cold TIG welding machine to weld steel, stainless steel and aluminum. The machine uses high performance, high power, high voltage and high frequency sine wave inverter, which is specially designed for TIG, cold, clean, smart and OAG pipe welding. It can reach the welding current up to 335 A and power frequency up to 230 kHz. KEYUE TIG 200G TIG Cold Clean Smart OAG pipe welding machine is with highly advanced circuit design. It includes the function of self-diagnosis in process, remote operation and control, intelligent diagnosis, filling, and warning, arc fault protection, anti-short circuit protection, anti-reverse protection, and overcurrent protection. It also has a built-in memory function that can be used as a training manual and a data protection function. It is specially designed for precision and high requirement of engineering work. Number 1. Andeli TIG 250PL TIG Welding Machine. The Andeli TIG 250PL AC/DC TIG welder is the best choice for small metalworking and home repairing. It has the smallest footprint, best performance and most advanced features in its class. It is small in size and light in weight, and blends into any metalworking space with its modern design. The handy digital display gives you the functionality of larger machines in a compact package. The Andeli Smart TIG 250PL AC/DC TIG welder is designed to perform with ease and efficiency. The user-friendly design is simple to set up and use, ensuring production without the usual delays. It's lightweight, portable, includes a pressure regulator, gas hose and other necessary accessories to get started right away. It is suitable for welding of pipe, sheet, round bar, angle, square tube and so on. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.